Only hold tight, sir.
Yeah.
Hold them tight.
So guys, it's a Friday afternoon and we are traveling to Sea Lion Beach Resort. So Sea Lion Beach Resort is located 60 kilometers south of Doha. It is around 40 minutes drive away from Doha and you will pass through the city of Misaid. So on your left guys, you will see the oil refineries of Qatar. Approaching the sea line, on your right you will notice the sand dunes. Sand dunes are one of the most famous attractions in the city of Misaid. They call it the Qatar Singing Sand Dunes.
So guys, we are now approaching near to the sea line. I am very excited.
A few inches later.
We have arrived guys. We'll see and explore this beautiful place.
Let's go!
5 minutes later.
Hello, Camel. Nice to see you again. How are you? Hello, Camel. How much ride Camel? There? Yeah. There 70 real. Okay, this 20 real.
So guys, don't forget to bring your sandals in your pocket because when you want to ride, you have to pay 20 real for short distance ride in the tunnel. And the far distance ride will cost you 70 reals. But we bargain. We lower the price to 50 reals. So the good thing guys is that you can bargain, and the camel takers, the caretakers here are very friendly with the visitors. But oh wait guys, the sad truth is that I feel pity about the camel. Some guys I saw kick and hit the camel with I don't know if it's kind of stick or rubber. They need to hit the camel so the camel will stand. I think this camel is very tired. So I am really feel pity about them.
20 minutes later.
So guys, I am going to ride.
Oh, so guys, here I am in the mountain safari. Safari of the
Ginagawa mo.
Yes, see, the sea line is there. The beach, the sea line beach is there. See, you can see people. It's very wonderful place. Doha Qatar, I love it.
We have reached the top of the mountain, the top of the sand dunes, and the place was so exciting. It was amazing experience that I ride with the camel up to the top of the mountain. I love the place. I love nature.
1 hour later. The next morning.
It was another exciting experience dito sa sea line. Ayun aking Falcon. Hello Falcon. Hi. How are you? Wow. So guys, very exciting yung experience namin dito sa sea line. Grabe. Woo. Ayan.
Nice.
Want to fly? You want to fly? Ha? Tayo, Falcon? Ha, Falcon? Guys, ayan o, Falcon. Fly, fly, fly. Fly.
Okay.
I'm very happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, brother. Eid Mubarak.
Bye, have a great time.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We try to upload 2 videos a day. And please help and support my channel.